Yeah, I'm going to be doing a repair on this section of track. For some reason the train wasn't running down this section very well, so soldered the track together and I'm going to put it all back on. So you can see I've lifted it here. Also, when I took it apart I snapped this wire, so I've got to solder that back onto the connector there. I applied some Gorilla Glue all the way along this section here, all the way down there. Now I've got to wet it with a brush and then stick it on quick. Okay, got the track bed wet, so the Gorilla Glue should bond to that. That's how it works. It's drying out pretty quick, so I need to fix that track down now before it all dries out. Got the track down, it's drying out pretty quick. Hopefully it's going to stick. So basically, as you can see, I put some wood on top of that track so that it bonds, so it holds tight against the surface. Gorilla Glue says it takes about a couple of hours to go off. Let's hope this takes. Probably come back in a couple of hours and take a look. It's been about 3 hours, so let's get these off, see if it's stuck. Okay. Yeah, absolutely solid. That looks good. Much better. Soldered the tracks together down there as well. Not the best soldering. It's pretty tricky because the rail was a bit dirty. So that's better. Get these bits off now. Right, let's do a test. See if this works. Here we go. Some new sections starting about there. Good. Yep. Perfect.